Today we are going to see one of the very important functions to work with data, which is sorting. So when we have a big amount of data and we need to sort it so we can see it in a better way, besides the filters, we can do also the sorting. The sorting depends on the criteria which we are going to use to sort. So sorting is coming from data. Then you have sort sheet. You sort the complete sheet. But supposedly that only you have the data in one part and you are making the analysis in another part, and you have some headers or columns and so on that you don't want to include. It's giving some indication. So we will sort a range. Okay. So sort the range you had selected with which column and so on. So first you need to select a range that you will sort. So we start from here. That's our data. We'll go down to here. So that's the range that we had selected, and then we are going to either we right click on it. You'll not find sort from here. You have another things, but you don't have sort from here. You have only sort from data, sort range. So sort range by columns. That's directly it will sort with the first column of the areas that you had selected. But you have advanced ranged sorting options, which is the most important. That if you click here, data has a header row. So this row, which is day, date, production units or produced units and something like that, they are considered as a header, so it will not go to be sorted with the other values. Okay, so we will select that data has a header. Then when data has a header, it will take the titles of the header as the sorting criteria. So you want to sort by day, or you want to sort by date, you want to sort by product units, you want to sort by operator, or product average temperature. Supposedly that I need to sort with operator groups. So it will sort by operator groups, CAP, which group, from A to Z. This means will be APC, or the opposite will be CPA. Okay, and we can add another sorting criteria, for example. So we will start with this one, sort. So sort, now all the A's are coming together and all the B's are coming after that, and then the C groups and so on. So I can see each group alone and see its performance, the performance of each group. So supposedly that I need to sort it with another criteria. So I will go to data again and sort range, advanced sorting options. Now I have the sorting is data has day, and then I need with the operator, then I need to add another column. Which column I need? For example, the average temperature. So I will add another sort column. That's the average temperature, and I need it to be opposite, with from the higher temperature to the lower temperature. So sort. Okay, so still you have all the A on the top, but you got the temperature, which 100 and 100 and so on, up down to 99. That's sorted. Okay, then I have another values. The important is to check that when you are making multiple sorting, it sorts with the first one as a priority. So it first sorts with A and then sorts with the temperature. So, but with the temperature, I have another variable. Now I have 3 days with 101 degrees centigrade temperature of the product. So this is another value, which is the product units. Maybe I need to reverse it. I need to sort it from upper to lower. So I can go again to data, sort range, advanced range sorting. I will have my column, I will have my operator, then I will add a range, average temperature. I will make it from Z to A. Then I will add another column. For example, this one I will make it the produced units, and then I need to arrange it, for example, also from Z to A, and then sort. Okay, now we can see that the data is arranged in some order that you can see, some order which is important to you. After that, you can apply some filter after sorting the data. Still, as we said, that you can make, as we said here about the filters, we can make the filters outside. We can make the sorting here outside. So if I make Control Z, and Control Z again, so I return to the original. So either Control Z or undo from here. Sort. Then we open a bracket. I need to put the range that I'm going to use it to sort. So I'll put my range again. Okay, and then comma. After that, I need to select the sort column. I will select column D for the sorting. Okay, and then I need to select is ascending, so that will be true or false, so I put true here. Okay, and then I close my bracket. So that's a problem here. You can see that because I have a range here, it's from A3 up to E22, so it's having a specific range. Then I cannot go sorting with a different range, so I need to put here D3 to D22. Okay, and then I press. Now it is the same from the same number of rows in this column. I press enter. Okay, now you can see that it's arranged with the A. You can add, of course, again the multiple criteria. So you add another column to sort with, and you say it's ascending or descending, and so on. So we had seen now how to work it outside of our main data range. In the coming lecture, we'll see how to work it in from a different sheet completely, and other tricks from the sheet. With us for the other video. Like, subscribe, join our channel, spread the information. Glad to see you in the coming video.